I the home of tricks. This particular project is no mine AD say mfanye mining no. Sisi ade e nim say days no eso a on be extend ana say ebe word fufuru bi ebe ye na e dey claim your tokens but currently no o ma introduce tax bi e wo mo platform no so a every blessed day bi na e so ba ha na obeye na e very easy e also follow me pepepe na me chiro kwan ya betumi afa so complete na watim dia increase tokens. O hwe options na e wo down ha say na me do one no aboso nti uboso na se oba ha ya ohwe soro a question mark na se oboso a ubon se omo day 1 to 5 a ohwe a first one no se available na kwan ben so na bitumi afa so dey performance tax way ubesan ba home uba home a chena e wo ha ise no caps na e wo ha ise no na wa hyase aboso from first to last nti uba tap first one no na wa tap second one no na wa tap third one no nti uye ne sa pe na se wa wie na wa san abebo middle button so biem nti uba ha na bo question mark no so a Ubon said this time around about done. They say why we tax no so simple. In the senior anya wodi ano follow process na wodi aya wodi. We a new member, major link in our description section on the Telegram channel. Send a beya ubitumi access link and now so join now participate or this particular project no mu. A Telegram mini app. Oboso na said oko Telegram na who start ya na waboso into your rubber page with say now so follow near na ye no. Na update be aba e or post so am pese checking it out because Telegram for them rafufro aba almost o money na o moye no any Telegram dey no emfa and into o free Telegram na near my also ye na me be kire no. E also follow bibia pepe. Say o launch o pause na your wallet no icon ketewa bi a e wo nchen no say oboso abehu say e show ton wallet nko nso enye no nko na e connect ye ade yesula na wallet na de enti a we nko na e show ha say enti uko pause community wa abehu say o ma drop update bi atum say enye anigisem emomo. Our team has thoroughly examined the new guidelines recently released by Telegram. After carefully reviewing the rules, we have concluded that our vision for the pause does not align with the requirements outlined in these updated guidelines. As a result, it seems highly probable that we will need to discontinue further development of the Paws mini app. This decision is based on the fact that the current direction of the app conflicts with the new rules, making it difficult for us to continue in its current form. However, all Paws data is already available on our website, and we will continue to enhance and update it. Just make sure to log in to access everything you need. We understand that this news may be disappointing, but we are committed to providing you with the best possible experience through our website and ongoing TGE. Na chese na tenten TTM mu nyina ne se omo free Telegram akọ omo website no so nti I say no omo embed omo website no e was a link we ni mu nti omo website na e wo ha say no paws.community nti se me bo open no so a na do beba media link in the description section was say na be ya obetumi access it easily or say verify yourself na waboso nti uboso a options na de beba ono ne ope bia obetumi select e bia Paws Telegram app e bia phantom wallet ana ton wallet nti me select ton wallet na ma select me ton keeper connect wallet nti I say no wa select any browser na wa bo just once na so na edo akọ browser no mu nti ubo say if it is done right edo ba ha say nti se obo arrow no so biem a ubo say no wallet mienu na odi kan connect ye no ni nyina ewum kama eche say you have been able to verify yourself a bibia ekoye ema and ahwe ya was add to home screen nti you person di say adwuma na ohwe dot miensa na vertical line no say oboso a u scroll back down a high say no ba be hu add to home screen na waboso nti oboso pe na wabo add no so na wabo add no so nti ebe add the app so easily nti ukrusu na about home screen na be say e high say time bia person access o Paws account no obutumi aboso afri honom I be bibia kama amount nti unya wo de na wakoye wo de fa se ne be ya ne mapa ifiri mu ba so betumi enjoy ya na wakai so be like video no any update be drop e how you tech the home of tricks.